Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Monday Makes video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the Round We Go stamp set. I haven't used this stamp set enough. So I've often said that I forget about the sentiment, so I am starting with the sentiment that says time to celebrate. So the colors that I have going from left to right are Melon Mambo, Pretty in Pink, Peach Pie, and Daffodil Delight. So I inked up with Pretty in Pink, and then with my finger dauber, I am adding a second color to that stamp. You can see the tonal difference there. I am just putting Melon Mambo on my finger dauber and daubing on the stamp. This is a really simple and easy way of getting a soft two-tone blend on your stamps. Works with rubber and photopolymer. So I have a, I think it's called a piercing mat. I call it a stamp mat underneath. And I'll show you, this is the side that is unmarred. And I'll show you the other side in a minute. I inked up with Daffodil Delight and then Peach Pie. It's a soft peach. Or orange, I should say, and I inked up that in the middle of this flower. I wanted to keep this simple, but I also wanted it to be a wow card. So just because it's a simple card doesn't mean that it can't have some impact. These are really pretty spring colors. I feel like, yeah, it's a nice little card. So I inked up with Peach Pie and then Melon Mambo in the middle. And this one probably was my favorite blend. I'll push it onto the white so that you can see the color there. So I was going to go off the sheet, so I flipped my piercing mat over, or stamp mat over, and I have this little, it's a craft sheet. I got it from a local company here in my hometown, a craft company, but I'm sure, you know, even if you were to use like just a piece of plastic or something like that, just so that you don't get ink all over your work surface, because I have noticed in the past when I do that without something on my stamp mat or where I'm stamping, I get it all over the place. And then I put down a white card base and then I see a smudge. So that was Daffodil Delight, and I inked up there's a big circle, solid circle, and then there is a small circle. And I went in with Peach Pie with this one, and to make it look more like flowers, I have to say, really cute. So I think I might be finished with the computer problems that I was having. I'm not 100% sure. I've had so many new things going on in my life. New phone, new computer, new internet service, new everything. And sometimes a lot of those, and a new modem now, sometimes those things all don't talk well to each other. So I've been struggling a little bit, but I remain consistent. And if you feel like you're getting value from my videos, please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it, as it really helps my small channel grow, and I am definitely trying to grow. So that's Melon Mambo I put as my mat, and then I put it on a basic white thick card base, and that is my card today. You can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video See More section on YouTube, or in the supplies section of my blog post. And those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store, where I would love to meet you and earn your business. I am using Wink of Stella here all over the card. So thank you so much for spending time with me today, for all the comments you leave, for the thumbs up, and all the YouTubey things. I love it. Thanks again for watching, and bye for now.